Hey, how's it going? This is Ben with Frosty Computers. We're taking a look at the MS-1755 MSI Barebones computer. I have it opened for you guys. Just need, a little screwdriver and a few screws in the back, and you can remove the cover very easily. Right here we have the RAM slots. This uses DDR3 memory, supports up to 8 gigs. And then right here you have your CPU socket, which supports the 3rd generation Ivy Bridge CPU processors, i3, i5. You can also go Pentium dual core. Also right here you have your Nvidia GeForce 6 GT640M with 2 gigs of video memory built in. That's the graphics card that you get. It's built into the system. On this side you have your SATA 2, basically for your notebook hard drives, your SSDs. Of course you get the mounting brackets and stuff basically in the kit to build your system, screws and all that. Same with over here. This is obviously where the fan goes. You get the fan, you get your heat sinks for your CPU and GPU. So all of that's included. And then you also get the Wi-Fi wireless N Intel Centrino 135. This wireless card is also built into the system. So pretty much the only parts you need to build the system are the CPU, the RAM, and the hard drive, which is just the interchangeable parts. Everything else in the bare bones is included for you. You have your CD DVD drive, which is included. You'll notice there's 2 speakers on the back of the system, and then also if I flip the system over, you'll see the 2 speakers in the front as well. Let me go ahead and open that for you here. So this is a quick look at the Barebones system. You see the graphics by Nvidia, and then this is where the other 2 speakers are right here. So basically it's a do-it-yourself, build your own laptop kind of kit. Just a quick look at it. It's a 17.3 inch screen, really big screen, good resolution. The resolution is 1600 by 900, and it's a great little system to learn how to build a laptop, or if you have extra parts lying around and you want to save some money and build your own computer. This is how you can do it with the Frosty Computers Barebones specials. Thanks for joining me, and you guys have a wonderful day and a good night. Thanks, and bye-bye.